Hello everyone, welcome to Guru How Fix. In today's video, I'm going to show you two methods to export videos in CapCut without using the Pro version. If you can't afford CapCut Pro, this video is definitely for you. You may have experienced this before. You spend a lot of time and effort creating a project only to find out at the end that you can't export it. Well, here's a quick fix. Let's start with the first method. Right-click on your timeline and select Render, then choose Whole Timeline. You'll notice the video starts rendering in the top left corner. Once the rendering reaches 100%, select the entire timeline. You can do this manually or simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Next, click on Create Compound Clip. After that, right-click on the compound clip and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. CapCut will now begin processing the clip. Just wait for it to complete. Once it's done, do not close CapCut. Instead, go to your project folder and locate the project you're currently working on. In most cases, it will be inside a folder called CapCut Drafts. If you're not sure where your project is saved, go to the menu in CapCut, then open Settings. There, you'll find the save location labeled as Save As. Since you can't copy it directly, carefully type the address exactly as shown, then paste it into File Explorer and press Enter. Now find your project folder. For example, mine is named 0728. Open that folder, then go into the Resources folder. Inside Resources, open the Combination folder. Here, you should see your exported video along with a white screen file. That video is actually your final project, the one you couldn't export because it required Pro. However, I should mention that while this method worked for me before, it may not work for everyone now. As you can see, the video might not be playable in some cases. Still, I wanted to share it in case it works for you. Now let's move on to the second method, which is currently working reliably. Open the project you want to export. Again, select the entire timeline using Ctrl+A, then right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Click on the compound clip in your timeline. Then go to the video section. Scroll down until you find the motion blur option. Expand it and enable it by checking the box. Then set the blur value to 0. Wait for the processing to reach 100%. Once that's done, go back to your project folder again. Open the Resources folder, and this time go into the Video ALG folder. Here you will find your project video, and as you can see, it should now be playable. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.